The magical ripple, a shy otter's big splash of bravery. In the heart of Whispering Woods flowed Whispering River, where willow trees swayed and dragonflies danced. There lived a young otter named Otis. He was kind, clever, and loved the feel of cool water on his fur. This year, Otis had signed up for the river school's annual swim race, and his heart bubbled with excitement. But there was one problem: Otis was terribly shy. He didn't like swimming when others were watching. His paws would feel stiff, and his tail twitched nervously. Every time he tried to practice at the riverbank, a playful heron named Hector would flap down and say,
"Come on, Otis. Are you swimming or dancing?"
Though Hector meant no harm, the teasing made Otis shy and he used to shrink back. One afternoon, Otis sat glumly on a mossy rock, his eyes watching others race across the sparkling water. Just then, his wise old Grandma Ottilia, a soft-spoken elder otter, waddled beside him.
"Why the long whiskers, little one?"
she asked.
"I want to swim in the race, but I'm scared they'll all laugh."
Otis sighed. Grandma Ottilia smiled and reached into her satchel. She pulled out a beautiful silver shell that shimmered with strange light.
"This,"
she whispered,
"is the shell of small bravery. It doesn't make fear vanish, but it helps you take tiny steps to overcome your fears."
Otis took the shell and that evening and went to swim quietly in a hidden cove, away from others. The shell sparkled in his paw each time he took a stroke, reminding him, one small step at a time. Day by day, Otis grew braver. He started waving at classmates, cheering for others during practice, and even giggling at Hector's silly jokes. Then came the big race day. The crowd cheered and clapped. The river was fun and lively. Otis's paws trembled.
"Ready, set, go!"
Otis dove in. Water splashed. Tails swished. Hearts raced. He didn't come first, but he finished strong, with a big smile. As he climbed onto the riverbank, soaked and beaming, Hector clapped.
"You did it, Otis. That was awesome."
Otis smiled.
"I did. And next time, I might even beat you."
Hector playfully laughed and accepted the fun challenge. From that day on, Otis swam freely, not to win, but to enjoy the ride. And every time he felt shy, he remembered the magic wasn't just in the shell. It was in him all along. Bravery doesn't mean having no fear, it means taking one small step, even when you're afraid. Thanks for watching, my friends. Like, share and subscribe for more wonderful stories. Until then, take care.